to our cooking class. Would you like to cook with us? Great! Today we are going to teach you how to make a delicious breadstick. You can eat them during school break, as a snack, at work, or whenever you feel like eating something yummy. It's a very simple recipe and I am sure you will love it. Call your family and friends to cook with you. Are you ready? Well then, let's start! First, let's take a look at the ingredients. We will need 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 cup of tapioca, 1 egg, grated Parmesan cheese, as much as you like, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now that you know the ingredients, let's check the utensils that we will need to make this delicious recipe. A baking pan, a bowl, and a wooden spoon. Now that we have seen all the ingredients and the utensils, it's time to start. In a big bowl, place the tapioca, the mozzarella cheese, the salt, and the egg, lightly beaten. Mix everything with a wooden spoon until the mixture is smooth. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! Now the mixture is ready. What's next? Grease the baking pan. Spread the mixture into the baking pan. Pay attention to the thickness of the mixture. It must be thin. On top of the mixture, add the grated Parmesan cheese. Bake the breadsticks for 30 minutes or until they are golden brown. Once the mixture is ready, cut the bread into sticks. Our breadsticks are ready. Let's cut them. Our breadsticks are ready. Let's try them, shall we? Delicious. Did you like this recipe? Leave a comment below and tell us who would you like to invite to make this delicious recipe with you. Follow us and we will notify you whenever